at the airport part 2. So, in the previous video, I have explained fair enough about the check-in process, but I'm going to explain it again for you. So first, they are going to ask you about your name, your passports, and your tickets. By verifying the information, the next step is they're going to weigh your luggage, and if the weight of your luggage is accurate, they're going to give you the boarding passes. Now, what is a boarding pass? A pass which tells you the information about the seat number on the plane and your next gate you're going to enter. The next very process is security check. But before that, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's begin. Hello. Hello. Please take out money, keys, or any metal thing from your pocket. Also, put your laptop and other items that you've carried with you. Don't worry, you can take your items later. Now please walk through the scanner. Okay, I got it. Everything seems okay now. Take your items and wait in the waiting hall. You'll be boarding in half an hour. May I have your attention, please? All the passengers to South Korea, please proceed to gate number 23. Welcome. May I see your boarding pass? And after showing your boarding pass, you are going to enter into the plane. Now this is your air hostess. Hi miss, what can I help you? Hello, I have a window seat. Could you please guide me to my seat? Now the air hostess will help you. Why not? May I have a look on your boarding pass? By checking your seat number, she is guiding. I've seen your pass. Please follow me. And after settling down on your seat, finally the captain speaking. We are going to take off. Please fasten your seat belt. What would you like to have now? The air hostess comes to you and offers you something to eat and drink. We have noodle, rice, and chicken salad. These are the options. I'll have noodles, please. And after that, she'll be asking you about the drink. What would you like to have in drink? We have tea, water, and mango juice. Now choose your drink wisely. I would like to have tea, please. Now, your plane is landing in South Korea. Yee! Next is immigration process. Good evening. May I see your passport and tickets, please? Asked by the immigration officer. What is your name and your purpose of visit? My name is Emma and I'm visiting South Korea for fun and travel. I'm going to explain the immigration part in the next video. Please stay tuned. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.